And my brother and dad were supposed to be coming through today, but their car broke down on the M8, so they've not made it. At least that's what they tell me. So I'm going to head out this weekend, just get some practice. I actually went to Tarbert last weekend, which was fantastic, and had another couple of little practice day sails, but generally not really got going yet this year. With the restrictions, we couldn't really get through till May, early May I think, and the weather's been quite cool this year as well. So it's starting to warm up now. Forecast great, about 12 knots-ish of wind tomorrow and Sunday, and dry, hopefully a little bit of sunshine, so just looking forward to getting out, getting the sails up and getting moving. Not really sure where to go, I'll figure it out tomorrow, but probably not far. Maybe go round the Cumbres, maybe up to Holy Loch. So we'll see, but done a few jobs over the winter as well, which is quite good, and actually starting to get to know the boat a bit better. Because I think when you get your first boat and you're quite inexperienced, there's so much to get your head round that it takes a bit of time before you start to realise certain things. So really just the last few weeks coming through, doing some jobs and starting to have a better look at a lot of the components on the boat, which is good. It feels nice to get more familiar with all the kit on board. So yeah, really looking forward to getting out, hopefully get some nice footage, get the drone up and get the GoPro out and get some nice shots. Just come out of Largs Marina, still on the engine, just about to put the sails up. The breeze is really nice, so I've decided to go up to Holy Loch, which is about 3 hours, maybe 3.5 hours, and probably stay the night, but potentially still come back to Largs this evening as well, see how I feel. I better finish getting the sail up. So that's us under sail, really nice conditions actually, doing about 6 knots, which is nice, and we're heading northish up from Largs to Holy Loch. So I actually put the second reef in, which was probably over the top. I don't think you really needed any reefs today, but when I'm sailing my own I far rather, it's a bit more relaxing. If Cameron was here we probably wouldn't have put any reefs in. That's fast enough, we're doing about 5 knots now. And there's no rush, so nice and chilled out. And behind me there is a new halyard, that red one, for an asymmetric spinnaker, which we got from Saturn Sails, and it's absolutely stunning. We had that out last weekend going up to Tarbert, and I'll show you that later. But I would like to try it single-handed at some point, but not this weekend, maybe soon. We're just coming up to Dunoon and it really is beautiful. The sunshine is out, the wind is really gentle. Perfect conditions for a gentle sail. Safely arrived at Holy Loch. Absolutely stunning. I'll show you around. So I've just arrived at Holy Loch and I thought I'd give you a wee tour of the inside of the boat. So we'll start up the bow cabin. Really nice spacious cabin, and it's got little storage cupboards on either side. And the saloon is very generous, nice big folding table, and that there is the asymmetric spinnaker from Saturn Sail, so hopefully get that out next time. So nice saloon, little nav table which is absolutely fine for the cruising charts, a couple other chairs, there's enough storage. All the cupboards, and then the galley, and again the galley is absolutely great. It's got a little fridge in there and the hatch on the top, breakfast dishes still to be done, a little microwave, and there's two aft cabins in this version which are like double cabins with storage as well, and they're absolutely great. Then the Volvo engine is just under the stairs there, 27 horsepower. And the heads in the shower. Wee basin. And that's the tour.